Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to the 18th 10 minutes guided meditation session. We have done more than 17 nights and more than 200 minutes of combined meditation. Isn't it great? You are going to add another 10 or 12 minutes tonight. Fantastic. Namaskaram Sneakfire 7. Namaskaram Priyanka Daryani. Fantastic to see all of you coming again every night. Namaskaram Riya 248. Welcome back. It's always great to see all of you coming back every night and deciding to spend time with yourself and do a little better to yourself. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and a few moments for everyone to jump in. Namaskaram and welcome Asamya. I hope you are coming here for a repeated session. Great. All of those who are joining tonight, can they comment down? Are they coming here for the first time, or are they coming here for the second time or the 18th time? Which session is this for you? Put down in the number. We'll be glad to see. And all of those who are coming here for the first time, Namaskaram and welcome again. Just put down in the comments if you're coming here for the first time or 18th time, whatever the number. Yes, Priyanka Daryani here for the 7th time. Great. Ruhail Alam, I hope you are coming here for the 3rd or 4th time. I don't know why you mentioned first, but yeah. Nick, first time. Manor Sai coming here for the 2nd time. Pinkesh coming for the 1st time here. Namaskaram, welcome. Dhrumin, first time. Welcome to the session. Patel. Anikunj, first time. Ketan, namaste and namaskaram, hello. Riya Singh coming here for the 14th time. Probably she has done, along with Swaha, they have combined done more than 120 minutes of meditation. That's 2 hours. Fantastic. Know Thyself coming here for the 7th time. Fantastic. Great. Today is Friday night. I know it's for most of the people it's thank God it's Friday, TGIF, but yeah. Okay. Well, so for all those who are coming here for the first time, I am Hitesh Goyal from The Weekend Yogi, and we are live from Singapore right now, and it's always great to connect with you. And this 10 minutes guided session is all about just taking a look and spending time with yourself with your eyes closed. You don't do anything. And all of this session, whatever session you are going to do tonight, I'll be guiding you through the process. I'll guide you what to do, what not to do. So let's get started, and let me adjust my camera. Okay, great. Fantastic. So here are few instructions for the first timers, and if someone has missed, you can be in a sitting position as I am in a sitting position right now. You can be sitting on a chair, or you can sit in a cross-legged position also. It's fine, totally fine. You can even lay down on the bed, and make sure if you are sitting, your spine is comfortably erect, your shoulders are not hunching, and your spine is not slouching. It has to be comfortably erect. Keep your head, spine and neck erect as well, straight. Let it be comfortably erect, and your palms should be facing upwards towards the sky. Place them on your thighs. Take off your spectacles. If you are wearing any spectacles, take them off, as that will distract you somewhat. Better to remove them. And also make sure there are not lots of noises and disturbances around you for the next 12 minutes, 10 or 12 minutes. And the structure of the program is something like this. After the 10 or 12 minutes session, guided session, I want you to stay for 1 or 3 minutes for integration. That's for your integration, and after that you can choose to leave, but I'll be taking few questions in the last section. Great. If anyone has any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Doubts can be regarding your posture, what to do, the instructions. If not, just show me thumbs up. If there are enough thumbs up, we'll get started. Just let me know in the comment section if any doubts regarding the posture or anything, or show me thumbs up or give me that like button. It will help me decide. Okay. Great. Swaharat, Priyanka. Okay, I am seeing a lot of love and I am seeing a lot of thumbs up. Great, fantastic. Ayush Gupta is also ready. Akanksha, Arunima, as always. Fantastic. Great. Well, so now we have a lots of thumbs up, and also in tonight's session, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to look at the mobile screens. I'll be guiding you through the process. You don't have to worry about the time. Just keep on following. Just keep on connecting with my voice, and slowly we will reach and we will do our practice. Okay? I will put off the comment section and I will give you a moment to adjust yourself. Make yourself comfortable. Let's get started. And I'm putting off the comment section so that you can just focus on my voice. And gently, slowly lower your gaze. Close your eyes and lower your gaze. Find yourself in a comfortable position. Bring your awareness to my voice. You don't have to look at the screen or anything. Keep a connect with my voice and keep a connect with your breath. We will get started with taking few deep inhalations. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale through your mouth, gently and slowly. Take another deep breath and exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. We will take one more deep breath, and this time hold it. Take another deep breath and hold it. Hold it. Hold it and exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Relax your body. Find your mind and your body releasing any kind of stiffness. Start with your feet. Go to your thighs, abdomen, stomach, chest, shoulders, your arms, neck, back of the head, your face, your forehead, and top of your head. Following my voice, release any stiffness, any kind of anxiety, any kind of stress, and relax. Find yourself feeling your weight, keeping a gentle awareness on your breath. Your mind may wander, your mind may be running here and there. Let it go and gently bring it back to my voice. Let your mind wander and gently bring back the attention to my voice. We will slowly begin the journey. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Notice your gentle and natural breathing pattern. Let's begin the journey. Tonight we are going to relive a moment. I want you to mentally pick one photograph, one image, one pic from your social media account. Just mentally pick any one photo you have uploaded. Don't look at the screen, just mentally bring back, recall one photograph you have uploaded. As you see this photograph, mentally recall what was happening at that time. How you were looking so confident, so happy, so cheerful, so joyful. Or maybe you were angry that time. Just visualize and remember what was happening that time when you clicked that photo. See, feel the sensations on your body. What was happening? Were you dancing? Were you sitting? Were you talking? Were you fighting? Were you just spending time with someone? Whatever you were doing, recall everything around that photograph. the different sensation. Maybe you were eating or drinking something or talking. Try to relive that moment. Feel that energy gushing through your spine. See, there is a smile on your face, a gentle, lovely smile on your face. I want you to say to yourself, I am always happy, just like this photo. Say it to yourself, I am always happy, just like this photo. Say it to yourself, mentally, verbally. Find your body has relaxed a lot. Totally in that moment. I want you to say to yourself, I am grateful for whatever I have in my life. Say it to yourself, I am grateful to the life for everything I have. Say it to yourself. Slowly, gently take a slight deep inhalation and exhale. Feel the air touching your lips. Bring your attention to the surroundings and back to my voice. Your attention is coming back to my voice. Calm, balance, ease. In your own time, at your own pace, open up your eyes. Slowly and gently, taking your own time, open up your eyes. Welcome back, everyone. The comment section is open again. I know you must be feeling different range of emotions. I want you to put them in the comment section here now. I want you to share your feelings, your honest opinions, feedbacks. What are you feeling right now? Just put down in the comment section. Would love to see it. You have done it for yourself. Guys, you have spent 11 minutes and 10 seconds with your eyes closed. This has all happened just because of your efforts. You have come here to do it for yourself. How was it? Let me know in the comment section. Great, I'm seeing George is saying Smiley, good. Know thyself, a thumbs up. Manohar Sai, good one. Bliss, fantastic. Awesome, yeah. Yes, thank you. Actually, the most thank you belong to you. You guys have done it for yourself. Fantastic. I am feeling the energy myself. You can't believe actually. I am saying it the truth. Swaharat is saying extremely happy. Great. Nick says time has passed very fast. Priyanka Daryani thrilled as always. Yes. Fantastic. Great guys. Great. And so many likes have also shown me that yes, you are feeling so good. Fantastic. So here are few things for all of you. First of all, after this session, make sure you drink some water. It's better to drink water for after doing some meditation. And second thing is, I want you to comment thank you to yourself in the comment section. Write thank you and put your name in the comment section because this gratefulness belongs to you. Third thing is, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We play all this soothing music there. Whatever we play here, you can listen to this music. And we also come live there. So it's totally free. You can come here. And you can even sign up on weekendyogi.com. It's a free sign up. You will receive all the replays. You will receive all the replays here on the website. Just make sure you have signed up. You will receive an email as well for the same. And for those who are really serious about doing themselves good to themselves and interested in doing yoga, we conduct one-to-one and group classes, yoga classes, session-wise or a package. Just comment, DM us, message us. We'll be happy to help you anytime. Do yoga and do meditation. I'll tell you, you are gonna find bliss. Fantastic. Fantastic. I see a lot of thanks coming for themselves. Yes, these thanks belongs to you. Yes, you have done it for yourself. The next part would be taking few questions. Those who are willing to leave and want to go, no worries. We are done with the session. But make sure you come tomorrow, same time, 10 p.m. We'll meet tomorrow as well. I'll take few questions if anyone has. I'll take 1 or 2 questions and then we can close this session. Yeah, I'll wait. Okay, I see. Yes, okay. So the first question has come. Samya is asking, can we do meditation just after a meal? Yes, you can do meditation after the meal. But the thing is, make sure you do not fall asleep. As this is just 10 to 11 minutes guided meditation. But if you are going to do on your own after a meal, it's highly likely that you are going to sleep off in the meditation. So better to stay hungry a little bit, but it's fine because it's just 10 minutes. But when we do long meditations, you can expect not to do it after a meal. Yeah. Okay. So I think there is just one question for tonight, and maybe I'll just close. Yes, it's very much natural to sleep off after a meal. Ruhail Alam is asking at what time you shouldn't do meditation. Okay, there is no specific time when you shouldn't do meditation, but generally in the night 11:40 to 12:20 you shouldn't make a habit of doing every night daily. But yeah, there is no specific time when you shouldn't do it. You can do it anytime. Just make sure you do not fall off sleeping. That's it. Great. Great guys. So let's close this session for now. I hope we are. And namaskaram everyone. Good night. I'll wait for your good nights and just close this off. Namaskaram. See you tonight, same time, 10 p.m. for the 19th session.